Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
They're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the market's always worked.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, welcome back. We are live, we are live, we are live. Alright, let me see a couple things here. Let me move this out the way. Let me move this actually closer so you guys can see. I think that's a better angle. Not gonna be trading that anyways. Psych. What up, what up, what up? Let's get it, let's get it. I'm gonna give a couple minutes here. Let people jump in. We got news hitting us at 1 a.m. GBP news. Euro news at 2:15, 2:30, AUD news at 3 a.m., Euro news at 3 a.m. There's a lot of news today. 3:30 a.m. GBP news, PMI, USD news at 8:45, and USD news at 9. Excuse me, a lot of news today. So we gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. That'll make the market move around a little bit, you know. Okay. All right, so everybody should be good to go now. Doing top-down analysis here on GBP JPY. You can see here that we've pushed down market structure to the downside, created this high. This low is a matched low here, so it hasn't created a new low, and then it broke market structure to the upside, creating a high. So it might create a higher low and then continue to the upside if it's going to continue to the upside. So weekly we're looking at bullish. Looking at it on the daily, we got similar market structure here with higher lows and currently breaking that high right here on the daily. Right, so bullish on the daily as well. 4 hour, we're going to go ahead and establish our zones, tops and bottoms. This is using the breakout strategy, guys. Completely different than if you were on my session a little earlier. So just a little different the way we do things. We like to identify tops and bottoms. This is what I refer to them as, but a lot of people, they're referred to as areas of interest, supply and demand, support resistance, key levels, whatever you want to call them, whatever floats your boat. It's the same thing. Basically what I'm looking for is multiple areas of price reaction above and below of current price. Okay, so as you can see here, price is coming up to this. We don't measure where it's currently at, but here we had a reaction push down, right? We had here levels of support, levels of resistance tested again as support. Here's resistance, and then down here we're looking at levels of resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support, continuation here, broke here, resistance, support. So we see that, right? We want to come down to the 1 hour just to refine that, making sure we're capturing all areas of interest for us. So let's just up a bit. And this, I'm gonna move this. Actually, move this up just a bit. Okay. And basically, what that does for us is gives us like what I like to call is like our play area, where price can potentially move within that session, right? So from here to here, we have our area, play area, right? So then I move down to the 15 minute. On the 15 minute is where I like to establish the range. Range is going to be what I'm looking to break out of for a potential trade. And this is going to be a scalp trade. We are looking for a quick 10-15 pip move, nothing too outrageous. Looking to break here, that's not going to be enough. That's not going to be enough. Probably not till down here. Let me measure this real quick, actually. From here to here, it's 15 pips. It's a little tight, I think I'd much rather than this down here, because this here is a bit of range. The bottom is on 73 pips there, right? And then to the upside, we have this here. We have this here, but we don't have a good range here. This looks ugly, so we'll move this up and up to see if from here we have a good breakout range. Move to the left, find where price last was. See price right here. Push this to the top of that. We have this little area. About 16 pips there. It's a little like we want a little bit more than that, you know, because we gotta account for spreads and all that good stuff. So 16 pips again. Pips there. That'll be probably our better shot. About 18 pip difference there. Yeah, that's our best shot there. To the downside, coming over here. It looks like we have more room and a better play to the downside than we do to the upside, which is all good. We will let the market decide where we should go and take the trade then. This will be for a potential buy once per the bar closes on the 15 minute, and then this is going to be crossing down once the bar closes for potential sell. Okay, so this is GJ on the 15-minute chart. I'm going to go ahead and send this out to the Telegram. Alright, and let's take a look at gold. Take a look at gold. We'll go ahead and do our top-down analysis, looking at the weekly. So let's read the market structure on the weekly. Here's our low, here's our high. This high broke this high. Looks like it's breaking market structure to the upside. This was a low, a new low. So it was moving down. It looks like it's just changed into bullish market structure here on the weekly. Looking at the daily, we see the same type of market structure, higher highs and higher lows. Looking at the 4 hour, she's still keeping the same type of market structure here. Looks like this was the high. It looks like it's kind of squeezing out here, so it's probably going to be some kind of breakout like this. You see this high, lower high, or I mean higher low, and then this lower high, higher low. So it's kind of indecisive. Looks like it might want to break out, but let's go ahead and establish our zones on the 4 hour based on previous price action. Okay, so we got price action there. It's the top, and the bottom for me here is going to be right around here. And I'm going to go ahead and move down to the 1 hour to refine this a bit. It's kind of catching a consolidation phase there, huh? Yeah, I like that. I like neat. Alright, now let's move down to the 15-minute chart. And we'll go ahead and establish our breakout range here. So I want to actually measure this because this looks a little small to me, but so we'll measure this range. That's about 20 pips. Not bad. What would it be to this one? Same, about 20 pips. You know, really we want like 25 pips on gold because gold is a little, it's a lot, it's like volatile, so we want to have enough room to move around. And I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it till probably after that. Yeah, there we go. So it'd be a breakout range above there. And to the downside, looks like, let's see what this is. Nope, not enough there. Not enough there, not enough there, not enough there. It'll be right here. So here to here, yeah, much better. There's a target. There's a target. Okay, so there's a setup on gold, and what I'll do here is I'll go ahead and Set alerts. Crossing up once per the bar closes, and this will be for potential buy. Right. It's a little better if I just put this right here, because oh fuck. Whatever. This is the best I can do. Crossing down, bar close for potential sell. All right, and I'll go ahead and send this chart out to the Telegram. And this will be gold on the 15-minute chart. And we'll send that out to the free Telegram group. Okay, so now we just wait. We wait. We shoot the shit. Have a good time and just wait. Remember, we have news coming out. This already came out. We got Euro news coming out at 2:15. So London, right now it's pre-London. It's not London Open. London Open will be in about 45 minutes. And we should see some volatility come into the market then. But for now, we can just wait and watch. Obviously, this is the setup we have right now. Now, price is moving, so it could move and things could change. It's dynamic. It's not static. So we wait, we be patient, we watch, and then we react to the market, right? Because, for example, if I get this, like GJ, for example, just melt, right, and create that market structure to the downside, and then I see an opportunity for a breakout to the upside before it crosses up here or down here, then I'll take that, right? Because look at this. We can look at this here and we can see that this is a range of 124 pips. In 124 pips, we could have an opportunity, potentially, right? Same thing with gold. Gold, we look at the range here. We measure this, and that's 158 pips. So, and this is how I trade London session scalps. It's a little different than my New York sessions. And I think people like the London sessions as well because we focus on GJ and gold and not US 30. And I know for US 30, some people can't trade it because they have smaller accounts or maybe it's too volatile for them and they don't like to trade it. So, but just so you guys are aware and can see how that works. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and jump in the chat. Let me know. Let's see who's here. Hello, teacher. What up? Lifeguard Zach. Vince, damn, that was an epic intro. Appreciate it, brother. Hello, teacher. Yeah. Casual TD Zoom link isn't working, OB. There's no Zoom link, bro. We're on YouTube. There's no Zoom link. Sorry. Took Euro USD buys. 5-minute. Nice. That bullish engulfing candle is lovely. Nice. Leisure company. My mornings are whole again. Good to have you back, LB. Appreciate it. Yeah. I'm going to try to be a little bit more consistent on my London sessions and give you guys that as well because I know some of my VIP people like that better than the New York session. Personally, guys, I love the New York session because US 30 is just, there's nothing like it, you know. But you know, like I said, I'll go ahead and jump on for London sessions as well, so you guys can have the best of both worlds. Guys, a minute. Who are you talking about? New York session is fast. Yeah, man. I mean, but don't you like? Isn't that better? Like for example, London session, bro. It's not uncommon for me to be on here for like 4 hours for London session. Like, we'll be here till 2, 3, 4 in the morning. New York session, man, I could be done in 7 minutes. Like, I go in, make my money, jump out, see you guys later. I don't know, man. I just like it. Do we got any baseball fans in here? The Rangers beat the Astros, and I'm super excited about that. I'm a Texas Rangers fan. Rangers haven't been to the World Series in 12 years, so yeah, it's a good thing. Watched the game today, and it was Game 7. I should have put some money on it. I knew they were gonna win. I knew they were gonna win. I knew it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, you know, about the strategy or, you know, anything in general, trading in general, you guys can jump in the chat. Let me know. Give me something to talk about. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be talking to myself. I'm back on my Red Bull shit. Oh, I probably shouldn't curse, huh? Because I'm on TikTok. They're haters over there. I wonder if... That's funny. There was a video on Instagram Reel where it was like a meme, like a trading meme, and I don't know, they were doing some kind of analysis that they kept trying to like buy, and it was clearly sells. And it kept like hitting their stop losses, and like I commented on it, and I keep getting notifications on it because I put in there I put in there when your SMC ain't SMCing, because you know the whole, I just read somewhere smart money concepts, whatever. Ow, Pablo, stop. I'm a little sleepy. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a long day. I feel like if I don't go live consistently, like YouTube doesn't put my video out, you know, like, because I used to get like 3, 4, 500 people on the live session, and now there's only 40 people. There's like 2 people on TikTok. Bro, I failed the Blue Guardian challenge. Yeah, I failed the Blue Guardian challenge, but it wasn't my trading, man. It was because I took a trade that was meant, like the lot size trade that I took was for my personal account, and I took it on the the challenge account because I was trying to do too many things at once. Like, I had my personal account, I was testing a broker, and then I was trading that challenge. So I failed it, and then, you know, I told trading that I failed it, and he said he was gonna make an announcement. Like he was gonna, because he was doing the recap updates and stuff. I mean, there was no point of me jumping on the live to jump on the live to say that I failed it, you know. So he said he would update in the recap video, whatever. But yeah, can't win them all. And then I had somebody reach out to me, and they were like very upset about the challenge, and like I understand, like if that was, you know, I mean, I wasn't purposely trying to fail the challenge. Like it just happened to be that, you know, we failed that challenge. And he was like, oh, you know, like that I was a horrible trader and I was a trash trader because I failed the challenge. And I was like, damn, he was very upset. Like he was cursing me out, dude, all kinds of stuff. Like he's sending me all kinds of spam messages. I'm like, Jesus, you need to, I think this is his first time trading. Like, cause losses are part of the game, bro. Like if you don't understand that you will take L's in this game, you're either new or delusional. You know? Yeah, I might do another challenge, but like honestly, right now I just need to trade my own money, cause that's another thing. Like the challenge thing, I had been going for like 3 months trading that challenge, and that was like my main focus. And like, I don't know if you guys understand this, but my primary income, like my primary source of income, is from trading. Like trading, I use that money to live, you know. Like I pay bills, I have other business ventures, and I got people that depending on me, and like I need to be trading my account because that's how I make my money. So like I don't mind doing challenges with you guys and, you know, doing fun stuff like that, but sometimes I gotta just fucking like buckle down and trade for my own livelihood. You know, like because it's my primary source of income. So, you know. Yeah, somebody was hella rude. Like they were just, I mean, and I understand if you're emotional and upset because you lost, right? But at the same time, man, like it happens. Like I didn't take the challenge and say, oh, I guarantee I'm gonna win this. Like I did my best, and I took too many things on, and I made a mistake and I failed it. And the thing is that they're more upset because I stopped trading the challenge and they still had the challenge, because that trade that I took was a swing setup, and I used a lot size not meant for a challenge account. The lot size was meant for my account, so it failed the daily limit thing, cause I have way more than the challenge account, like in my account. So yeah, it, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, well, it's because like I tried a copy trader before and I had a lot of issues, but I've come across another copy trader that seems to work a little bit more better, and I was trying to set up something like that for like my VIP people in Telegram, so I can, like, if they want to set up the copy trader for their accounts and stuff. So it's just I'm a little skeptical on that sometimes, because of the fact that, like, you understand different brokers have different there's different price variances, right? So not all brokers are going to have the same price as like my broker or whatever, and there's spread difference and all of that stuff, and then there's the lag time, like between me taking a trade and it like executing on the copy, you know. But something that I'm working on for sure. Yeah, they still had the challenge. Yeah, they were more upset, not because like my losses blew their challenge account. Like, I failed my challenge account because of that trade that I took that wasn't meant for the challenge account. but they were upset because I wasn't going live anymore to keep doing the challenge account, because I didn't have the challenge account anymore, and their challenge accounts that they had been following me on the lives like was still active. So they basically got a challenge account, didn't know how to trade, and was waiting on me every day to take trades. And so when I wasn't trading it anymore, they were upset. They were just like, hey, that's why they were upset. I'm like, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Sorry. Like, I gotta make my money, and we'll do another one again. I just need to finish out the year, make my money. I got Christmas coming up. I got gifts I gotta buy, you know. I got trips I gotta take. Trying to buy some property, trying to buy some land, you know, trying to do some things, and can't be all fun and games, you know. Sometimes I gotta take trading seriously. Gotta make my money. Bro, but that guy, like the guy that went off, like I see him in all my content, like liking my stuff and watching all my stories and stuff, and I'm like, and he's still mad. He's probably in here watching the stream, knowing I'm talking about him. I don't even know if it's a guy. Like, it's just they didn't even have a profile picture. It's just a weird username. Haters. Anything lower than 5 minutes on a trade copy, or the different brokers and spreads matter. Yeah, I see what you mean. The trade copier, if it's less than 5 minutes, the different brokers and spreads matter. So then probably my like swing setups would be best for like the trade copier, because if the live trading too is well, I guess it wouldn't make a difference, right? Because the execution time, you know what I'm saying? Like, by time I pull the trigger on mine, and it sends it out to the other ones. Like, that was the issue that I had with the first copy trader that I used. But the one I was looking at as well was like provided through the broker. So like if everybody's used the same broker and stuff, you know. Don't know what that is. Well, trade copier, basically, like I have my MT4 or MT5, and it's an EA. Basically, it's a like software on the MetaTrader that whenever I execute a trade, it sends it to whoever else is connected to that trade copier. So they'll take essentially the same trades. And then I've seen some like some of them you have to have the take profit, like target levels and stop losses in, because once it takes it puts those in. But sometimes, like for example, like if I close a trade early, break even, take partials, like those things, that concerns me, because some won't do that, you know. Or some, like I've even seen some where it'll catch the take partials on one, and then on the other one it doesn't, and that's a problem. I'm using Social Trader to check them out. Yeah, I heard about that one. I haven't checked them out yet, but I did hear about that one. The one I was using was I forgot what it's called. I think it's like Trade Copier 3 or something like that. Forex Copier 3. And it's like I paid for it and everything, you know. But Yeah, because sometimes like I'll, depending on how the trade's going, I might close it early, or I might take partials, or I might move my stops into profit, or like it's not cut and dry as like, oh, I don't just target stop loss, whatever hits, you know. I'm always gonna err on the side of protecting account capital at all costs. You know what I'm saying? So and that's another thing. I've had people like, that's why I say don't, the greed is something that gets to people, especially when we hit TP1 on trades, and they're like, I want it to go to TP5 and I'm gonna hold on to it, and I'm not gonna set my stops to break even and take partials, and then it turns around on them, and I'm like, well, shouldn't have been greedy. Bro, this shit's moving slow as hell. Don't even look interesting. Same thing on gold. Cheers. Market slow because CJ ain't here yet. I don't know where CJ is, but he always be calling me out. Later. I mean, it can go up and down, but I think like right now it's moving sideways. So we shall see. How did you learn to stream on YouTube, or did you get a course? What? No, to stream on YouTube? No, I just jumped on and clicked the button that said stream. Yeah, I mean, I've been streaming on YouTube for a while though, like probably since the end of 2020, 2021, beginning of 2021, something like that. So like, the more I was like doing it, the more I started figuring stuff out. And then, you know, I had friends that did streaming for like gaming and stuff like that, and they showed me a couple of different things to do and like softwares to use. And so slowly but surely I started adding stuff to it, like the intro and the overlay, and like, and now you see what you see. But I didn't just start streaming and all of a sudden I have like the whole setup. But it took a while to get there. But yeah, I originally started streaming because I was trading London session all the time, and like it just gets boring by yourself, and so it was a lot better when I would stream and people would come and talk about trading and different pairs and stuff like that, and keep me company, keep me awake. Because in my time where I'm at, it's like 1:39 a.m. So it's like a little past midnight. So I'm like trading in the middle of the night. I only have my dog to keep me company, so, and he likes to sleep a lot, so. This is Pablo. Oh, see Pablo. Say hi. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, get down. Stop. You know, I was gonna look at it on the 5 minute. That little pullback that it did. I like gold 5 minute pullbacks, but GJ looks a little crappy. But this one doesn't look bad. I think we'd be better off waiting for London to open to see that volume. Because look at that in the 15 minute, the doji candle here. So this type of candle here is indication of price exhaustion, indecision, or price reversal. Right, so we've been pushing up here. We have this indication. We have this candle here taking out the lows. So essentially giving an indication to sell. And gold, what it likes to do is spike down, take all of those potential buyers out of the market, and then push up. So just gotta be a little patient, a little patient. See that? Look at that. What did I tell you guys? Take that out, pump up. Classic gold doing classic things. So that's why whenever I set this up, I have the breakout range, but with alerts. So even if, I'm present, right, watching the market, but I'm waiting for this to actually break close above. And when it does that, I'll get an alert. Like it'll ring on my desktop, and it'll also notify me on my phone, so I don't miss it. Yeah. Excuse me. A little sleepy. Yeah, honestly, I think the better play is going to come in gold. It's kind of consolidating here, but if we can start to move up or break down, look for a trade. Are you still in contact with CJ? Yeah, he's in the VIP, and he comes in. He just comes in late, or when I'm not here. I'll be. What TV chart do you use for gold? I'm on Awenda. Yeah, it's Awenda. Pretty sure it's Awenda. Yeah, Awenda. See. Awenda XAU USD. I use this one because this one is the one that's the closest to what my broker shows. So, feel free to find whatever matches your broker, but this is the one that works for me. Damn, I finished my Red Bull already. Pablo, go give me another Red Bull. I wish, right? Nah, I only have one a day. Can't have too many Red Bulls. It's Tuesday, so we want to ease into the week. It's going to be our first trade of the week if we get a setup. And really, like, I'm going to probably, once we get in, I'll probably take like 80% at my partials at TP1. So just to secure some profits ahead of the week. Since it's the beginning of the week, first trade of the week, I don't want to, you know, risk account capital. Yeah, and sometimes it's slow like this, and you just gotta be patient and wait. What is this level here? 12 pips? Nah, not enough. Not enough. Oops. I don't know if you guys can. Probably not. So we got about 10 minutes before London Open. And we have some news coming at 2:15 and 2:30 for Euro. So we want to be careful with that. Be careful, be careful. Look at this. Gold's gonna pop up. Watch. Just kind of ranging here. What's the measurement here? 14 pips is not enough. What's the measurement here? No. 15? No. Honestly, it's really like ugly market structure. It's been consolidating. So last week of the month, you know. So, well, we still have what next week? 2 days next week, so. mean, I don't think GJ's ready yet. Even for the shorts, it's a little too. It's not enough for me to take a risk on it. Not yet. I mean, yeah, like if you shorted it up here, you probably made some profits here, but she doesn't look good. Because from here, this breakout to this, it's 12 pips. Like, why would you want to take that? This to this, it's 11 pips. I wouldn't want to take that. This to this, 12 pips. This to the next one, 15 pips. Maybe this breakout here, from here to here, there's a chance, but this, no way. This to this one, no way. But this bottom one, after it breaks out of this, right? After it breaks out of this, you have this nice clean movement down here. So this looks to me like what is it called? Somebody help me out here with the pattern. Who knows what this pattern is called? It's like a rising wedge type of thing. You guys see that? Ascending channel, yeah. So maybe it comes down a bit before it pops up. But yeah. Personally, I don't really like it. Yeah, sorry about that. Maybe this is better. My mic is turned up all the way. I'm just not yelling. Put me on the TV, bro, and turn me up. I still think gold is going to be a better setup. Look at this. Took out the highs. Doesn't look bad. We got about a minute before London Open. See what she does. We'll see what she does. And sometimes, like when London opens, this creates the liquidity that it needs to then continue. Like it needs that volume, you know. Just be a little patient. Just be a little patient. Yeah, there's news coming out in 15 minutes as well. There's CJ. Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Slipped in today or what? gold pushing to the upside. We got news in 15 minutes, guys. The next 15 minutes, well, 12 and a half minutes. Yeah, so if this creates like a level of support and then a bullish engulfing, might be able to take a buy on that. Ooh, look at gold. Should pushing up. Guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. What did I miss? What did I miss? Let's see. Gold, still doing gold things. GJ. Oh, she pushed down a bit. She definitely did push down a bit. So we got about 26 pips there. That would be nice. She came down in kind of a double bottom there. We got news that just popped out at 215 for euro. Kind of mixed news there. Ooh, gold pushing down. GJ pushing up. Interesting. See what happens here. This is the opening here of London. Yeah, this spike down, I think is gonna keep going up. That's what gold loves to do. I kind of want to take a buy here on GJ. Got about 20 seconds here. Do about a 15 pip stop. Because this reversal looks nice. Oof. Let's see if it pulls back. I'm still not in it, guys. I'm still not in it. It's on a 5-minute time frame. No, I'm gonna hold off, guys. I'm gonna hold off. Not yet. Not yet. Alright, I think I'm going to take a buy here on GJ, guys. Take a buy on GJ. And I'm just going to do a 15 pip stop. It's a little risky on the 5-minute, but I kind of like the setup. Let me go ahead and take a buy. And my entry price was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. 5, before. And stop is a 15 pip stop. So my take profit one is going to be right here. And she's moving up. So 604, boom. Take profit one. We are in buys on a GJ. We are in buys on GJ. A little bit of profit, a little bit of profit. TP2. I am in a buy, guys. I am in a buy on GJ. I am in a buy on GJ. She's looking good, guys. She is looking good. Currently up about 6 pips. Remember what we do at TP1. Remember what we do at TP1. I like the rejection there on the 5-minute. I just want to see the break of highs. I don't want to see lows being formed. And this is on the 5-minute chart, guys. 5-minute chart. Oh, she's pushing down. Yeah, let's see that projection. I don't want to see it breaking lower, because that could be an indication that we're just wrong and it's going to come down. Because it is moving down like this, overall movement to the upside. I like the stop here with this level. This is kind of the reason why I jumped in here. Kind of a double bottom here. Push down, bullish candle here to the upside. London open, getting that volume coming in. What I want to see is this low, it not breaking lows and then creating new highs. So that's what we're waiting on. Come on, baby. Push up. Come on now. Push back up. 2.5 minutes before this 5-minute close. We have no wick to the upside. Damn, she's breaking lows. I don't like that. Do not like it. She's down 5 pips right now. Fuck. Might have to. Oh, wait. Give it a second. Pull back up, baby. Pull back up. There she is, pulling back up. We are in this trade, guys. In buys, we're down like 2 pips right now. Got about 50 seconds left on the 5-minute candle. I'd like to see like rejection. I'm okay with a wick, but come back up. I want the body to close above this low. If not bullish, right? That would be ideal if it goes bullish. What does a 15-minute look like? Yeah, it's going to be a nice little doji. Not bad, not bad. Maybe a little early in the trade. 2:30, we got more Euro news coming out right now. Okay. Oh, she's melting. Not what I want to see. Yeah, I think she's gonna hit her stops here. Yeah, she took me out. Damn. She took me out. A little too early, a little too early. It's just melting. I give myself a second chance. For those that don't know me or are new here, I'll take 2 trades. If I take 2 L's, I'm done for the session. If I take 1, win 1, then I can take another trade if there's a nice setup. If I lose 1, then I can give myself a second chance to take another trade. It's just part of my game plan. Bro, if this thing just came down to wick out and then turn around, I'm gonna be upset. I didn't think the bearish trend was that strong for it to move freaking 40 pips to the downside. It happens like that sometimes though. That's why you have to be using risk management all the time, because you'll have some stupid mistake like that. Well, not a mistake, it's just the market. Sometimes it takes you out. What What does a 15-minute look like? Oh, yeah. See these bottoms here, where it's at now? Let's see if I can get any kind of switch here. First trade of the week was an L. Took an L here on GJ. Like watching paint dry. is it called? Nice. What is it called? This thing is still melting. Yeah, look at that. She's just melting away. So is gold. It's weird. Yeah, well, I think it's just a pullback. I think this is gonna pop up soon, but I'm just looking at price, because look, you see we got these little doji candles, but then it's continuing to fall. So if it's breaking these, I think we're gonna keep falling. But well, each of these candles is 15 minutes, right? So 15, 30, 45, an hour. It's been an hour and 15. Well, it's going to be an hour and 15, about 13 minutes. We might see something like this happen. I'm going to look at these. This is on its way back. Nice. This has come back into this zone. I'm waiting for it to cross below here. This is almost to this area where I want it to be to take a buy. Still got some room to go. Oh, this is getting close. This is also coming back. Zero AUD looks close. Close to my area where I want it to go to enter. We'll see, we'll see. Yeah, I took one trade and I lost here. But I'm seeing if I get a second chance set up to take another trade. Yeah, probably something like cents. With my first TP on GJ, nice. Oh, because you had taken that sales, right? I think she's gonna get ready to head up now. If this candle closes bullish engulfing, I'm gonna take my second chance here. We got about 5 seconds, guys. It's gonna be about a 15 pip stop. Yeah, I'm taking it. Taking my second chance trade here. My entry was 183.362. 62. 512. If this hit stops, that'll be my last trade of the day. Six, 2. this one much better. 812. Let's see how we do. We are in this trade, guys. I like this bullish engulfing. I like the rejection here, the wicking out. Created that support. Bullish engulfing. She's coming into profits. She's pushing back down. Just gonna let this ride out. She hit stops, guys. I'm done for the night. Done for the London session. Damn, she just says not today, huh? Bitcoin exploded today. Oh, I haven't even looked at crypto. Price rejecting from supply on 1 hour. Why you are taking buy? Because trading my strategy, not yours. Like, I don't care if price is rejecting from your supply on your 1 hour. I'm trading my rules. And I'm okay if I'm wrong. Like, it's okay. It'll be alright. hilarious. Missed the short from 183.616. She's coming down. Come on, baby, pull up. Damn, I think it's raining. Like, hard. It's like coming down pretty hard. I hope the lights don't go out. That would suck. No, I was saying that it's raining really hard. Yeah. Yeah, like in real life. I was saying because if it starts thundering and lightning, hopefully the lights don't go out. Knock my internet out. Knock my stream out. Yeah. Oh man, come on now. I think she's gonna stop me out. She's coming for my stops. Yeah, she's a couple pips away. Oh, there she goes. Oh, beautiful start to the week, guys. Beautiful start to the week. Awesome. Alright. Well, I'm not going to trade after this because that's my 2 L's of the day. I'll be back on for New York. So I'll go ahead and wrap this up and see you guys. Well, my VIP for New York. But I'll be on tomorrow as well for London. Unfortunately, today we took 2 L's here. So it's just part of the game. It is what it is. I was hoping we get a nice little double bottom here and push up with the liquidity that it created. But I was a little too early here. I thought we found the bottom here. But obviously we did not. Alright. But anyways, I'll go ahead and jump off. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Much, much, much love. Peace.
Trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.